Welcome to Tami's Maths. It's miscellaneous. I think 2 or 3 days before we had a miscellaneous. This is trigonometry. As usual, a lovely question. It's like a jackfruit, full thorns outside. You cut open and eat jackfruit. Oh, what a taste it is, no? Like that this is. It looks very deceptive. It looks very difficult. But whenever I teach, I enjoy actually. I never get tired of enjoying questions. That's the reason I always tell you all, enjoy what you do. And life will be very interesting. Whether you are in a student phase or in your teaching phase, or simply you're learning mathematics for fun, whatever is the phase of your life, you enjoy it and involve yourself in what you do, you will have a wonderful period. This is really a question which I enjoy like anything whenever I deliver it to the students. So after I finish this, I want your honest comment about the question. Oh, we didn't think that this is so easy. Worked with this simple idea. Like that, this question is. It's an enjoyable, beautiful, celebrating question, which we will start. Fine. 2 pegs of radius, capital R and small r, are with their centers C apart. A right angle piece touches the pegs. One arm of the right angle makes an angle alpha with C. Show that maximum distance between the points of contact is root of r square plus c square plus 2c into root of r square plus r square. How does it look? Very deceptive. It looks like a jackfruit's outer side, doesn't it? You know what's a peg? It's a wooden cylinder like that, no? A cow is tied in a peg. Actually, we are bothered about only the top portion, which is like a circle. 2 pegs of radius r and r pegs of radius r and r are with their centers C apart. With their center C apart. A right angled piece touches the peg. A right angled piece touches the peg. A right angled piece touches the peg. One arm of the right angle makes an angle alpha with C. This is alpha. And I can put here itself as alpha. I hope all of you feel clear about this is alpha. Show that the distance between the point of contact, this and this, a point of contact, that the distance between the point of contact is root of r square plus r square plus c square plus 2c into root of whatever you have there. Fine. How am I going to do? You have a curiosity, don't you? Curiosity is a must. What would be the maximum value of what will be the maximum value of a cos theta b sin theta plus b sin theta? A small baby will say, don't you think a small baby will say? Now you are going to tell. So the maximum value of a cos theta plus b sin theta is root of a square plus b square. Usually when I teach, I derive even very small things so that the students will learn and have an involvement. But because this is miscellaneous, which is given for advanced, I am not deriving all this. I take it for granted that you all know it. The maximum of a cos theta plus b sin theta is root of a square plus b square, and the minimum is minus root of a square plus b square. So a cos theta plus b sin theta will lie between minus root of a square plus b square, and this side will be root of a square plus b square. Like I have cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 2. Solve it, I say. You will tell me there is no solution, because the maximum of cos theta plus sin theta will be root of 1 plus 1 root 2. But that is given as 2. So there will not be a solution. So this is used in many contexts, and I am going to use only this, which each one of you will know very, very nice. Don't you know it? Yeah, you don't know it. Now, so this is what I am going to use. Now, drop a perpendicular from A to this. Drop a perpendicular from B to this. Even if you want, you can take this as the 2 axes also and do. This is R. So this will be R. From here, drop a perpendicular to this. This is capital R. So this will be capital R. Is it correct? Correct. A, B will be C. This angle is alpha. This and this are parallel. So this also will be alpha. So the introduction is very clear, very simple. A small child also will understand this. I am not using any big mathematics. I am using very simple thing. Now, from the right angle triangle AMB, this is C cos alpha. This length AM is C sin alpha. Now A dash AM, you can call it some yes. That's a rectangle. So this is C sin alpha. This also will be C sin alpha. Next is, this is C cos alpha. So I will have this figure to be a rectangle. So this is C cos alpha. If you want, you can name it. Now, I want A dash B. A dash B dash. Which is, what is A dash B dash whole square? What is A dash B dash whole square? That is a very few minutes. You will get the answer and you will sing and dance. A dash B dash whole square, root of square of this plus square of this. If you want, you can call it O. So it is OA dash square plus OB dash square.
That is root of. What is OA dash square? R plus C sine alpha whole square. Plus. What is this square? O B dash square small r plus C cos alpha. Okay. I hope you got it till here. Now, two pegs are at a distance C apart. A right angle piece touches the peg. One arm of the right angle makes an angle alpha with C. We have to show the distance between the point of contact is this complicated quantity. So now we take this. I erase this. Now we take this. This is root of A plus B whole square, R square, plus C square sine square alpha, plus 2CR sine alpha, plus R square, plus 2RC cos alpha, plus C square cos square alpha. Now look here. R square plus R square. C square sine square alpha. C square cos square alpha. Take C square outside. Sine square plus cos square will be 1. Plus 2CR outside. So 2C outside. So this will be R sine alpha plus R cos alpha. Take 2C. One next step is going to give us our answer in a wonderful way. Now look at this. This is root of R square plus R square plus C square plus 2C. What is the maximum of A cos theta plus B sin theta? Root of A square plus B square. So what's the maximum of A? R sin alpha plus R cos alpha will be root of R square plus R square. Look here, look here, look here, look here, look here. You can't be an ordinary person simply getting this and keeping quiet. You have to have that enjoyment in mathematics. The moment you get such a wonderful answer, we do celebrate, we do sing and we do dance. This is such a tough question. Such a tough question. And it is done only on one simple thing. A cos theta plus B sin theta is having the maximum as root of A square plus B square. You agree with me that this is a question which is to be enjoyed. So I always tell you the spark is very much needed in working question. And how do you get the spark? The more and more you work, you will be getting the spark. Okay? So work this question, enjoy it. I'll meet you in the next video with more interesting question. Till then, best wishes.